Hi, I've just come in the front door. There's nice big ceramic squares for the tile, for the floor. The ceilings are smooth. Here's a span of the living room. It's on the second floor. It does come furnished. I know you'll like how much room is here for the dining area. Extra 4 chairs can be at the kitchen counter. Look at the size of this refrigerator freezer. There's your fridge. And there's your freezer. It is a Frigidaire. Okay, here's your sink, nice and deep, stainless. Updated faucet. There is a garbage disposal. There's a dishwasher. Let's look under the sink here. Looks fine. Here's your stove. And your microwave. Lots of cabinets. Granite countertops. Pots and pans. Those do not pull out. Lots of drawers. And then of course the cabinets that tall people can use, or else you get a ladder. Okay. They have the dining set up for a table of 6 right now, but you could do a bigger one. I know you'd like to entertain. I'll take you into the master first. The ceramic tile switches to a smaller tile, more like a 12 by 12. Huge walk-in closet. Even room in here for a table and some chairs. Here's your bath, nice and big, dual sinks. Higher toilet, comes to my knee. A jacuzzi tub, looks like it's a jacuzzi garden. Shower's nice and tall. Don't see any problems on the ceilings, like with any leaks or anything. Like that grate is a little rusted, but at the beach most of the time they are. Nice cabinetry in the bathroom also. Off of the master, you can go to the balcony. They have a high top table out here and a low top. So the beach is right there through Emerald Cove, but there's a public beach access to the left of this building, right across the street. Nice big slider windows. Doors. Let me check the sliders. Oh yeah, they open really easy. There is a ceiling fan on the balcony also. This one glides nice too. And there's your view out over the balcony. It's just about getting dark. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Second bedroom here off of the dining area hosts 2 beds, a ceiling fan, smooth ceilings. Reason I say that is so many of them have popcorn ceilings and people don't like that usually. Here's your bath. It's nice. Each bedroom has their own full-size bath. There's a closet here. Here's a storage closet across from the dining table. Fits quite a bit. They even have a separate little small fridge. Oh, because that's their locked stuff together. So when rentals use it, they don't have to throw all their condiments away. It's a smart idea. That's the first time I've seen that. Okay, here's your 3rd bedroom. Again, 2 beds. I am guessing they are full. This one here is to the back road, not Ocean Boulevard. Looks well taken care of, like there's not chipped paint and things like that sometimes they seem to have. Here's the 2nd bath, or maybe it's the 3rd, and the shower again is higher. Doors are an upgraded door, they're not the flat panel. Here's your half bath for guests. And when I got here, I thought, why is this piece of furniture in front of this locked door? So of course I had to move it to see what it was. And there's another door behind it, like a lockout door. So I don't know if these could have adjoined at one time to the next door neighbor, and they just cut each one off independently, is my guess. But even if you open the lock, there's another locked door with no way in. This is really nice. I think I told you my good friends bought a unit in here and they love it. They got a 4-bedroom and they've had very good luck with rentals too. I don't think you wanted to rent it though. You were just going to use it, I believe, for family and friends. Nice big load washer and dryer. There's your electrical panel. They even have a filter sitting here for ready to replace. This looks rather new. I'll have to pull the documents up. Okay. Actually, I'll keep filming as I leave so you could see where I am on the outside. Stairs are right here. Elevators in the middle of the building. I'm going to lock it before I show you the way to the elevator. Okay. Go down the hall here. Elevator's here in the center of the building. Nice parking underneath the building. You are allowed to have storage things outside if you need them. And this is where I wanted to show you. The public beach access is right there, right past that motel sign. And there's parking and there's really nice restrooms there, so you don't have to come all the way back to use the restroom.